Like they legends, but I never seen the feeds. Just screenshots, caplogs, no wins in the streets. I've been low, still louder than their tweets. They trend for a minute, I build, I repeat. Don't chase noise, I build my lane. Every bar like a pressure, it bends their flame. They pray rolls, I stay in my name. While they seek applause, I aim for the flame.
They up too loud,
Yeah,
not the fame when it's real.
facts.
Talk for the crowd.
You post flex, still praying for cloud. I invest in skills, let the rest burn out. While you rehearse lies, I rehearse my route. When I speak, the silence fills with doubt. I don't need your praise or stage. My name live longer than a viral phrase. You're gone when the lights go grey, but I'll stay legacy over the flame. Let them talk, let them scream. When it's time to move, only one team.
Yapping, they do all that yapping.
But I show up, action over the caption.
Yapping, they're stuck in distractions.
Me, I'm locked in, no time for that yapping. Yapping.